Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. We're going to start up with the 07 Sweet Spot. Go Yankees. Co-host saying good go Yankees. 07 Sweet Spot, let's hope it feels thick. That's what she said. It feels thick. It feels pretty thick. Alright, good luck. Here we go. There is no redemption. So we're good off the bat. Grady Sizemore base at a 850 for the Indians. Then a Jonathan Papelbon at a 850 for the Red Sox. First hit will go to the Yankees. It'll be a jersey card of Jorge Posada. Never see any of his stuff in products. Never see any of that. Jorge Posada jersey for the Yankees. And sliding from the back, we have for the Tigers, we have a Joel Zumaya. I'm going to put a decoy on the back. Joel Zumaya jersey for the Tigers. Good luck. Here's the Sweet Spot Auto. I'll slide it on blog. I won't say what it is, but I'll show YouTube first. And it is a faded. It's not a bat barrel. It's one of the baseball autographs, so it is a little faded, but I'll slide it for you guys on blog. Good luck. And there it is. It'll be a Howie Kendrick Sweet Spot autograph for the Angels. Howie Kendrick, 175 at a 350 for the Angels. So far, 2 hits for the Angels. And I'm trying to show the auto. You can see it definitely better in person than on the video. But Howie Kendrick autograph. And the rookie autograph will be for the Diamondbacks. It'll be a Miguel Montero. Miguel Montero for the D-backs. On-card rookie auto. There's the box of Sweet Spot. Alright, on to 07 Upper Deck Black, hoping for a white pack. Hoping for a white pack. No white pack. Alright. See what we get. Good luck, guys. 07 Upper Deck Black, one of my favorite baseball products to bust. Hopefully we can get a patch or an actual card. Oh, it feels like patches. It feels like patches. Maybe I'm wrong though. We'll see. Good luck, guys. Good luck, good luck. Do slide it out. Slide it. Oh, and it is patches. Dual jersey, dual patch autograph. Really, really nice looking card. Numbered at a 35 for the Orioles. Nick Markakis. Very nice card. Nick Markakis, dual patch, dual jersey autograph for the Orioles. Really nice. 3-color with lots of stitching. That might be part of the Orioles logo, or where it says Orioles. But nice start. Nice pack of black. Here's pack number 2. Here we go, pack number 2. Let's get more patches. No patches in this. Let's hope there's no redemption. No redemption. We got a card. We got a card. There's a card in here. Good luck. And it'll be for the Phillies. Little white on the bottom left-hand corner. Number 2 out of 50 of Aaron Rowan for the Phillies. Aaron Rowan autograph for the Phillies, numbered out of 20, or 50, sorry, 2 out of 50. So there's the Adam Rowan. Real nice Markakis, though. That's a hell of a card. So that is the box of '07 Black. We have '09 Sterling left. GSN Cards is out.